Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Beautiful, a 100% cruelty-free beauty channel. My name is Archana, and if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe and also hit the notifications button so that you get updates for all my future videos. And then let's get into this video. Today I am going to try out this Derma Roller system. I am super excited to do this because I have been wanting to try this on for a very long time. I have never tried a Derma Roller on my skin before, and I've heard that it's very beneficial for the skin if used in the right way. So let's just open this up. I had got this in a mini Nykaa haul that I had up on my channel a few weeks back. I will put the link in the description box down below if you haven't checked it out already, and if you're interested to see what other products I got in that mini haul. So this is how it looks. The packaging is pretty neat. It comes in a box. So there. So that's the roller. It comes in a very neat case, and I'm really glad that it came in this case. It will be very easy to store it. So this is the tiny Derma roller. So I'll just give you a few specifications of this because it comes in different sizes, and the needle size of this roller that I got is 0.5 mm, and this, let me just read what they've written. I was hoping that there'll be some kind of an instruction manual in this or how to use kind of a thing, but I think we'll just have to rely on the internet and Google for that, because there's nothing inside this that tells you how to use it or that gives you any precautions. Only 4 or 5 caution statements have been given on the box itself. It says only for personal use, don't share with another person. Skin with wound should not use this roller. Be careful if the client is allergic to metal. I'm going to use it on myself. Irritating cosmetics is forbidden before the skin recovery. So you cannot basically use makeup, or I think you should use it during the night time so that you don't even need to use any sunscreen, because sunscreen sometimes like tingles on the skin. So try and use it just before bedtime. And the last caution is put where the children cannot touch. So on the front of the box they say, please choose the suitable size, please sterilize the roller and the nursing part with alcohol. Please apply suitable nutrition lotion or cream on the skin, rolling back and forth 4 to 5 times. Please rolling more than 4 different directions. Refer to the pictures. I think these small pictures they're talking about, vertical and horizontal and diagonal on both sides. So I think that's what they mean. Apply nutrition or mask products on the skin that requires care in case of skin inflammation. So I'm also a little scared of using this on my skin because I've never used needles on my skin. There are very tiny needles, if you can see. I'm not sure if it's visible to you, but there are needles on this and I'm not sure how that's going to happen. So before I take off my makeup and clean my skin, I also need to sterilize this. So I will do all of that, but before that, let us just read a little bit on how this thing works. Alright, so I am on wikihow.com and it says, first, disinfect the roller before use. Soak the roller in 70% isopropyl alcohol. I don't have isopropyl alcohol, but I do have something with alcohol, so I'm just going to use that. And you need to soak it for about 10 minutes. Pull it out, shake off the excess alcohol and let it air dry for a few minutes till the alcohol is dried. Then second step is wash your skin in warm water. It is important to start with clean skin. For example, you could use a gentle foaming cleanser, blah 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 blah. You don't want to start with anything harsh, blah blah. Disinfect your skin if you're using longer needles. That is, if you're using longer than 0.5 mm long, you should disinfect your skin in addition to the roller as well. But we are using 0.5, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to take off my makeup and clean my skin really well before I use it. Then begin with a numbing cream if you prefer. Most people aren't sensitive to the needles, but if you're sensitive to pain, you can use a numbing cream first. I'm not going to do that. And roll vertically. Start on, so right from this point, I think I'm going to read once I am ready to use it. So I'm going to quickly disinfect the needles right here and clean my skin and make sure that there's nothing, no cosmetic on my skin which can get inside, because this is a needle. It is definitely going to make tiny holes in my skin, and all these harmful chemicals might penetrate into the skin. So I have to really make sure that all this is gone and my skin is very, very clean and clear before I start this. So let this wait. I'll just do all of that and come back. Alright, so I have zoomed you guys in. I have cleaned my face and I have sterilized or disinfected the Dermaroller as well. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply some moisturizer on my face, and then we'll get started with the roller. I am a little scared and a little excited to use this because I have a lot of pigmentation on my skin, around my mouth area, on the forehead a little bit, and time and again I keep getting these small bumps on the face. So if this thing addresses all of that, then nothing like it. So I have applied this, and so I did read about this a little bit and I did see a couple of videos because I didn't want to use it the wrong way. So what you're supposed to do is you are supposed to use this in small sections. So you cannot like try and avoid using it in larger sections, which also makes sense because of the size of the roller, I guess, or maybe because you will not be able to concentrate on a larger area properly. You are supposed to roll it vertically, horizontally, and diagonally on both sides in each section. So before using this, you can apply moisturizer, hyaluronic acid, serums, or whatever it is that you want your skin to absorb as much as possible. So for today, I have applied the moisturizer, and let's cross our fingers and get started. So I'm going to start with this area. I'm not able to tell you exactly how much. Let me just see. I think I'll start from here. So I saw a video in which it was told to stretch your skin, so that's what I'm trying to do here. So 6 times in each direction. So here. Yeah, the area is pretty small. It does prick you, but it's not like painful. 6 or 10 times I think it was. So I'm just going to leave that area. I did it only 6 times, but from now on I'm going to do 10 times. So the next portion, yeah, I think it was 10. So I'm going to quickly finish the rest of my face. I'm going to fast forward this bit and I will meet you on the other side. So finally, after half an hour, I have finished derma rolling on my entire face. You can see some parts of my face have become really red. On my nose especially, a little amount of blood did come out because these are sharp needles. I don't know if you have seen or if you remember my cinnamon oil lip plumping video. I right now feel I have the same feeling as that cinnamon oil, but this is still a lot better than the burn that the cinnamon oil had given me. And I don't know, I can see pores in my skin. I don't know if you are able to see that from the in the video, but I can see pores have opened up. I can see a lot of white small things have come up on my skin. That may be dead skin, that may be whiteheads, I don't know what it is, but I think this will definitely clean up my skin. So I just need to wait and watch, use it over a period of time. This is not supposed to be used every day. I think once a week is ideal. You can even use it, I think, 3 times a week max, but every day is not something that you should use this. So I think initially I will just use it once a week and see how it goes, and maybe if I see good results I will continue using it. But for now, right now my face is really burning in areas, but I think it'll settle down. In some areas the skin did burn a lot, in some it was okay, it was like it did burn but not so much. Like right now on the forehead it's still burning. On the nose definitely you can see the redness. You can see the redness right here, right here. My entire face actually looks red, but there are areas which are more red than the other. I also went on the eyebrows with the roller because I have also read that it is good for the hair, so I just thought why not go over the eyebrows. On the eyelids you have to avoid it because eyelids are very sensitive and very close to the eyes, under the eyes also you need to avoid it. So I, how much ever in I could go, I did, and this is the result. I do feel that my skin is cleaner now, but I will definitely need to observe this. The needles are really sharp and you need to be careful with this, especially if you have sensitive areas on your skin. You definitely need to be careful. So for this product I will not give any recommendation. This is something that you have to see, observe, and then decide whether you want to use something like this on your own, on your skin or not, because this will be slightly painful. It's not painful, but it burns on your skin because this penetrates your skin, not very deep because it's just 0.5 mm. 1 mm is what I've heard penetrates deeper, and that can really cause the blood to ooze out from your skin. So, and I think more than 1 mm is not recommended for use at home anyway. So I think this is the ideal, 0.5 mm is the ideal derma roller size that you should look at if you are thinking of purchasing one and trying it out. So I will put the link for this in the description box down below, so do make sure to check that out for more details, or even if you want to purchase it, just click on that link and go ahead and try it if you want to. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Do give a thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share it with your friends and family and all that good stuff. And I will see you again very soon in another cruelty free video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.